Order coffee.
Hello,
Hello.
what would you like?
I want a coffee, please.
Okay, small or large?
Large, please.
Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
Do you want milk?
Yes, a little milk, please.
Sugar?
No sugar, thank you.
Okay, one large hot coffee with milk. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
That's $3.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait one moment.
Okay.
Here is your coffee.
Thank you. It smells good.
I hope you like it.
I think I will. I love coffee.
Me too. Do you come here every day?
No, this is my first time.
Oh, welcome.
Thank you.
Do you live near here?
Yes, I live on Main Street.
That's close. We open at 7 a.m. every day.
That's good. I go to work at 8 a.m.
Perfect. You can come before work.
Yes, I can. I like this place.
I'm happy to hear that.
Do you have food too?
Yes, we have muffins, cookies, and sandwiches.
Oh, nice. I will try a muffin next time.
Great. The blueberry muffin is very good.
I will try it tomorrow.
Okay, see you tomorrow.
Yes, thank you for the coffee.
You're welcome. Enjoy.
Bye.
Bye.
Order tea.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello.
What would you like?
I would like a green tea, please.
Okay. Small or large?
Small, please.
Hot or cold?
Hot, please.
With sugar?
No, thank you. No sugar.
With lemon?
Yes, a little lemon, please.
Okay. One small hot green tea with lemon. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Great. Anything else?
No, thank you.
That's $2.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait one moment.
Okay.
Here is your tea.
Thank you. It smells nice.
Yes, green tea is very good. It's healthy too.
I like green tea. I drink it every day.
That's great. Do you come here often?
No, this is my first time.
Oh, welcome to our tea shop.
Thank you. It's very nice here.
I'm happy you like it. We have many kinds of tea.
Really?
Yes, we have green tea, black tea, mint tea, and ginger tea.
Wow. I like mint tea too.
Next time you can try it.
Yes, I will. Do you have snacks?
Yes, we have cookies and cake.
Oh, I love cookies. How much are they?
One cookie is $1.
Okay, I will take one cookie too.
Great, that's one more dollar.
Here is $1.
Thank you. Here is your cookie.
Thank you. It looks good.
Enjoy your tea and cookie.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Order pizza.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
What would you like?
I would like a slice of pizza, please.
Okay, cheese or pepperoni?
Cheese, please.
One slice of cheese pizza. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Would you like a drink?
No, thank you.
Anything else?
No, just the pizza, please.
Okay, 1 slice of cheese pizza. That's $4.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait 1 moment.
Okay.
Here is your pizza.
Thank you. It looks good.
I hope you like it. It's hot and fresh.
I love pizza. Cheese pizza is my favorite.
Me too. Do you eat pizza often?
Yes, I eat pizza every week.
That's great. Do you live near here?
Yes, I live on King Street.
Oh, that's close. We are open every day.
Really?
Yes, we open at 11 a.m. and close at 9 p.m.
That's good. I can come after work.
Yes, many people come after work.
Do you have other kinds of pizza?
Yes, we have cheese, pepperoni, veggie, and chicken pizza.
Oh, I want to try the veggie pizza next time.
Good idea. The veggie pizza is very tasty.
Do you have big pizzas too?
Yes, we have small slices and big whole pizzas.
How much is a big pizza?
A big pizza is $12.
Okay, I will come with my friends next time.
That sounds fun. We also have drinks and salads.
Nice. I will tell my friends.
Great. Here's a menu.
Thank you. I will look at it.
You're welcome. Enjoy your pizza.
Thank you very much.
Have a nice day.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Order juice.
Hello. Welcome.
Hello.
What would you like?
I would like a juice, please.
Okay. Orange or apple?
Orange, please.
1 orange juice. Small or large?
Large, please.
With ice?
Yes, please. I like cold juice.
Okay. 1 large orange juice with ice. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Anything else?
No, thank you.
That's $3.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait 1 moment.
Okay.
Here is your juice.
Thank you. It looks fresh.
Yes, it's fresh. We make it here.
That's great. I love orange juice.
Me too. It's sweet and healthy.
Yes, I drink juice every day.
That's good. Juice is good for you.
Do you have other juices?
Yes, we have apple, mango, pineapple, and watermelon juice.
Oh, I like mango juice too.
Mango juice is very popular.
I will try mango juice next time.
Good idea. It's very tasty.
Do you have snacks?
Yes, we have fruit salad and cookies.
How much is the fruit salad?
It's $4.
Okay, I will try it next time.
No problem. Here is a menu.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you live near here?
Yes, I live on Market Street.
That's close. We are open every day.
What time do you open?
We open at 9 a.m. and close at 8 p.m.
That's good. I can come in the morning.
Yes, morning juice is very nice.
I agree. I like juice in the morning.
I hope you enjoy your orange juice.
Thank you. It's very good.
I'm happy to hear that.
I will come back soon.
Great. See you next time.
Bye.
Order soup.
Hello, welcome.
Hello.
What would you like?
I would like some soup, please.
Okay. Chicken or vegetable?
Chicken, please.
One chicken soup. Is that right?
Yes, that's right.
Small or large?
Small, please.
Would you like bread with your soup?
Yes, please. I like bread.
Okay, one small chicken soup with bread. Anything else?
No, thank you.
That's $3.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait one moment.
Okay.
Here is your soup and bread.
Thank you. It smells very good.
Yes, it's hot and fresh.
I like soup on cold days.
Me too. Soup is warm and healthy.
Do you make the soup here?
Yes, we make it fresh every morning.
That's nice. I like fresh food.
I'm happy to hear that.
Do you have other soups?
Yes, we have chicken, vegetable, and lentil soup.
Oh, I like lentil soup too.
You can try it next time.
Yes, I will. Do you have drinks?
Yes, we have water, juice, and tea.
How much is the tea?
$2.
Okay, I will get tea next time.
No problem. Here is a menu.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Do you live near here?
Yes, I live on Rose Street.
That's close. We are open every day.
What time do you open?
We open at 10 a.m. and close at 7 p.m.
That's good. I can come for lunch.
Yes, many people come for lunch.
I like this place. It's quiet and clean.
Thank you. We try our best.
Order coffee.
The soup is very good.
Order tea.
I'm happy you like it.
Order pizza.
I will come back soon.
Order
Great.
juice.
See you next time.
Order
Bye.
soup.
Bye.
Great job, my friend. You just practiced 5 real English conversations. Now you can order food, buy things, and speak with confidence in English. Remember, practice a little every day, and you will get better and better. If you liked this lesson, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to English Life 24 Hours, leave a comment and tell me which dialogue was your favorite. I'm proud of you. Keep learning, keep smiling. See you in the next lesson.